Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to split packages on Canix. I'll be showing you from the California Canix demo account, but this flow applies to all jurisdictions, so no matter what state you're in, you can reference this. You might just notice a few differences in the package tag numbers. Okay, let's get started. So the first place you're going to start is by going to Packages and Active, and this will take you to all of your active inventory. And we're going to start by selecting the packages that we want to split. And in Canix, you can split multiple packages at once. So I'll show you how to do 2 packages at once. You can do 3, you can do 1. Really, there's no difference, but we'll start with 2. So we're going to select the 2 packages that we want to split. You can see that these 2 rows selected lets us know how much we've selected. Then we're going to say Actions, Split Packages. Okay, great. So here, a couple things have happened. So these 2 source packages that we're splitting from have created these 2 sections. If you had 3 packages that you were splitting from, there'd be 3 sections. The start tag that we're using has automatically pre-filled in here. I know that we've already used 425, so I'm going to change this to 426. You can always change this start tag if you want to start with a different start tag. Package date 3/16, that'll fill in as today's date, but if we wanted to backdate this for yesterday, we could do that, or really any date. In location, we can put as our dry room, but again, this is optional. Okay, so in my case, I'm splitting from this ChemD bulk flour, and I'm going to show you how to create some packages from there. So in this items, you can see that this ChemD bulk flour with 0 grams has pre-filled in here. I want to split this bulk flour into 3 different items, so I'm going to click on this. I'm going to uncheck Use Same Item, and I'm going to check A-Buds, because that's the first kind of package I'm going to create. And I'm going to create 5 packages of 100 grams each. So I put in packaged weight 100 grams and packages 5. And I'm hitting Update in here. So you can see it's pre-filled in the next 5 packages in here. Now, a common question that we get is, how do I do the same item but different weight? And it's very simple. You just say add item. You can use that next item will automatically pre-fill to the last item that you selected. Let's say that you just have a 50-gram package remaining. You just say update and you create that same item but a different weight in here. Great. Okay, so we've done A buds. Now let's add in our B buds. You can say package weight 100 grams, and this time we'll do 3 packages. You can see it's continuing to pre-create these packages, and nothing's created into metric yet. So if you made a mistake in here, you can feel free to change it. Everything is, until you hit submit, is not in metric. Then add item, let's add in our ChemD trim, and let's say that these are, this is actually 1 package of 1,000 grams. So we can add that in here. Great, so everything looks good. We can see that our source tag starts at 426, which is our start tag here, and increments by 1 until 435. We can add as many items as we want in here. For now, I'm going to move on to my next package. So same thing here, I'll change this. And in this case, I'm actually going to leave this bulk flour. I'm going to say that I just want to create 1 new package of 1,000 grams from this bulk flour. So I'm going to put that in there. Then I'll change this one to A buds. Create 2 packages of 200 each. Can add in our B buds. 3 packages. So this right in here where I'm filling in the package weight, this would be how much you have in your packages that you're creating. And the number of packages is how many packages of that item and that quantity that you're creating. Great. Okay, so we can see here that this pre-filled to 0435, and we start this off at 0425, and it's a little confusing because we started with 0424 as the last tag in here. But this is a pretty simple fix. We'll just go in here. Oh, whoops. I go back and select my start package tag. So we'll just go in here and we'll change the the start tag of the packages that we're using. If you're doing multiple packages at once, this first two start tags will pre-fill an order. So make sure that you go ahead and make sure that the start tag is the next start tag that you're looking for. If you do change the source package tag like I did, all your items will not save. So be aware that you will have to redo your items. So we'll go back, we'll put in A-buds, 2 packages in here, B-buds, update this. If you accidentally don't click one of the source packages that you want to split from, it's very simple. You can put add package in here. You can select a new source tag that you're grabbing from. Again, just make sure that this start tag updates to what you want, 442 in my case. And you can see that this updates automatically. Package date, we can go ahead and change that in here. So you can go ahead and add new source packages if you don't have everything that you want in here. And we'll just do one package in here of this A-buds, and we can see that this source package has 0 grams. So I'm actually going to go ahead and delete this because it's not really something that I want to split from because there's only 0 in there. So you can also delete the selected package from the screen if you don't want to split from it. The submit button is grayed out. That means that something is wrong in here. So I'm going to go ahead and check over my screen. It looks like this Chem D bulk flour, I didn't actually update the weight. So I'm going to go in here and add in the package weight. And here we go. Okay. So that all looks good. I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. So these packages are successfully split. I can see them now in my inventory, and that is how you split packages on Canix.